made the son of a bitch. Continuing on to Minnesota, I found one of our spots where there's, vistas where you can see the landscape. Basically sat down on that rock and was able to say goodbye, since that was like our last stop.
President President projected to plan the border, which is one of the first obligations of the United States.
Well, excellent point. Talking with Pat Buchanan, and hoping, can you stay with us after our little break here, and we'll continue this discussion on illegal immigration and other issues.
Okay, fine.
Oh, thanks for holding, Pat. You're listening to WGAC News Talk Radio. Phil Kent sitting in from Austin. Stay with us.
It's the first day of the first grade, and she found a new best friend. It's a laid-back Sunday afternoon, you wish would never end. The home ain't just a bluebell, and good friends gathered round. The good old days are being made right now.
Dip into our new coconut cream pie ice cream and imagine being stranded on a deserted island. Rich coconut French ice cream, flakes of coconut, tasty pie crust pieces, and a whipped topping swirl loaded with toasted coconut. No longer be rescued.
The good old days are being made right now. The good old days are being made right now.
Look for Bluebell ice cream at your favorite grocer.
Let me pass this guy. Don't get on my ass again. Let me pass him. Back off. Your brake check was pretty lame.
Being charged with a four-count felony complaint of sexual inappropriate behavior. But it's a good one.
Are you trying to pass me the right turn on the lane? Yes, you are.
Is out of the box.
Show a little patience.
All right. Now, none of the victims ever met Amy, and each woman received payments in cash from Mancheka himself. And
rising infections due to the variant. CDC Director Dr. Rochelle Walensky later told reporters the decision to issue new guidance was not something we took lightly, to use her words, but comes amid, quote, worrisome new science. WGAC traffic time is 4:30.
About to turn right from the left lane? He is. Wow.
Remember, Big Lou's like you.
He's on meds too.
From the A&D Carpets and Hardwood Floor Studios, this is WGAC.
Very good.
Augusta, WGAC
In the past that experience the symptoms of low testosterone, hypergonadism.
jurisdictions, what county would have jurisdiction. But anyway, such and such a business. They didn't have anyone to send. Richmond County did. So they asked Columbia County to send a car. Columbia County sent a car and ended up catching a guy with dope and a gun. Columbia County told them that they were going to need a Richmond County Sheriff's deputy to handle it while they were holding the guy. Over an hour and a half later,
he didn't even want to be in this lane.
Office deputy off duty.
WonkyHeatPool.com and see why it's hard to stop a train. Subject to credit, approval CTO for details. License number M1433.
From the A&D Carpets and Hardwood Floor Studios, this is WGAC AM Augusta, WGAC FM Harlem, and W270CY, part of the Beasley Media Group, celebrating 60
A lot of people had trouble with that turn.
In New York, and Private Nedham Roberts. During the regiment's second tour in the trenches, they were together manning a forward observation post, when at 2 a.m. on the 14th of May 1918, they were attacked by a 24-man German raiding party.
Turn into your own lane. If you want to be in the left, start in the left. See that solid line to the left? Don't cross the solid line. Ooh, it's dotted now. I can cross. As long as it's clear. That's the correct way to turn right at that light.
GC News Center, our top of our stories. U.S. Senator Lindsey Graham of South Carolina said Monday he's tested positive.
But this is 195 Marketplace Drive.
Yeah.
Come espresso yourself. Oh, wow.
Woof.
Never leave a fallen warrior behind, ever. Off the battlefield, Wounded Warrior Project operates with the same goal. Wounded Warrior Project was created to help our men and women returning home with the scars of war, whether those scars are physical or mental. Wounded Warrior Project, we never leave a fallen warrior behind, ever. Learn more about what we do at woundedwarriorproject.org. Fire threatens everything.
All that stupidity just to take the exit.
We
the rest of us up in Columbia County. Exactly what you're saying. And we can clear all this up.
You got the clock in front of you?
No, I don't have it in front. We ain't got the clock because I'm walking around Dollar Tree.
Okay. Well, he said, if I remember correctly, he said that what Jared.
Pass me another. Now you make a lane change. With no signal.
They showed about devastating business landscape in New York City.
Don't do it!
Back in my vacation experience in Pittsburgh, it was unbelievable. A great little neighborhood that we specifically chose to stay in because of its centrally located restaurants and attractions. It was a fantastic movie theater right across the street from the hotel we were staying in. A dozen restaurants. They were all gone, and they ain't coming back. The movie theater closed. Yeah, we didn't lose any movie theaters around here.
That wasn't hard, was it?
Is it open back up? I don't know.
I guess it wasn't.
Yeah. But I've never had issues, when I've gone to stores when I've bought like a whole bunch more.
Like I said before, these H-strong gives us trouble. I hardly ever tell myself, these boys think about it. Rainstorm. Oh, let me see. I don't know. Okay, I'll say.
This guy's gonna rear end me. Now you know why I don't like the tailgaters.
And now, 3% back at grocery stores, so you can make the cake that makes her day. Happy birthday to you. So earn unlimited cash back for going out.
Barry Pascal fussed at me because the guy was a decorated World War II vet. And
You see
he
that?
didn't like the fact that they
Right turn from the left lane.
Real quick, I want to give a thumbs up and a pat on the back and a hug around the neck to the folks.
Health-related home care, Savannah Lakes Village, Augusta RV, Western Carolina Town, and Burger King. Music, food, exhibits, and shows you don't want to miss. And remember, admission is free to the Western South Carolina Blue Wave Festival, Saturday, August 28th at Baker Creek State Park in McCormick, South Carolina. Check it out at BlueWaveFestival.com.
Make your world a little brighter with Benjamin Moore Paint from Gerald Robinson's Paint Center. Check out BenjaminMoore.com or stop by 3850 Washington Augusta and let Gerald assist you with tips for your space, your style, your Benjamin. My mom is a breast cancer survivor. The United Breast Cancer Foundation saved her life. Their free breast cancer exam caught the cancer early, and that saved her life. But now the foundation needs your help, so they can continue offering free or low-cost breast screening exams, saving more women's lives. Help them by donating your car, whether it's running or not. They'll provide fast, free 24-hour pickup, and you'll receive a charitable tax deduction, plus the great feeling you'll get knowing your donated car is going to help save more lives. Just call 800.
All the state push all across the country. And I mean, I think a lot of us really want to see something that will prevent a continuous regime of vax passports, needles in arms, and this is obviously very personal to me because of what I've been going through here in New York City. So, Linda, that was the intent, and
that guy did not have a signal on to absolutely last.
Probably believes about the same kind of stuff I was posting about the vaccine.
Look at this guy. Sheesh.
Okay, I'm not sure what they're doing because there's not an exit.
No, he's getting on the exit lane so we can get in front of does 8 almost 9.
I suppose it opens 9. Okay, can't see the goal. That's not a flip.
What percent right lane to straight? 0? She's on the right side. She can do it. That's nice. Right. Go ahead.
Just because we're
Okay.
what direction should she go? Did she go right?
She turned left.
Same way you're going?
Yeah.
Continue for 3 miles.
Wow.
Well, I guess he showed us, huh? Oh boy.
What the hell did they just do? Where did you come from?
He made a U-turn where it's totally illegal.
There's a decent chance they may not be. All right, James on I-20 is on line 1. And always shout out. Yes, sir. What's up, James? Good.
Well, just at a general observation of these parents and anybody that's been...
We never knew from day to day where we stood. As soon as we got going on the construction of a type that she had stated was necessary, a cable would come in from him saying that he did not want that type and ask him for something else. He did not seem to have the faintest conception of the effect on production of all this information.
I tried to let you in.
Changes in details of phase. And on the 1st of November, the First Army pushed north, pursuing a fleeing enemy. Pershing emphasized that once started, the battle was maintained continuously, aggressively, and relentlessly.
Where are you going?
The end. All
nowhere. That's where you're going.
All over the CSRA, and if you're looking for fantastic vehicles, great prices, loaded with aftermarket extras, see our friends at Crescent Automotive. DriveCrescent.com online. Everybody drives Crescent. You should too.
Hi, I'm Chris Hudson with the Chris Hudson Law Group. I'm sure you've seen or heard the out-of-town lawyers with their fancy jingles, crazy phone numbers, and actors.
Some ready-to-eat salads that were produced.
A sheriff's deputy should know not to block the intersection.
Are being recalled because they were.
chance of a shower coming up over the next couple days. How about that? Details to your forecast straight ahead.
Right now on News Channel 6 at 6, a teenager stabbed at her home in Jackson, South Carolina. Authorities on the hunt for a suspect.
So you live behind me.
Did you know that many of these lawyers don't live in Augusta? Heck, they may not even know where Augusta is, and probably can't pronounce Martinez, much less Hepzibah. I was born in Augusta, and I have been a resident of Columbia County all my life. I graduated high school here, went to college here.
And that are directed at them, or is it a result of basically envying what they're seeing on social media?
So, like, on the social dilemma, what they were just saying, which was kind of scary, like you said, you saw it, is how there's artificial intelligence that are, you know, databases.
Half of where we are right now, we would look to going back to 2 visitors, and right now it's set up, we don't allow COVID patients to have visitors unless it's an end-of-life situation, so it's
$4 million over the estate of his family's late housekeeper, Gloria Satterfield, who died in an accident at the Murdaugh family home a few years back. He's expected to appear at a bond hearing tomorrow in Beaufort County. Today's arrest is the latest development in a saga that began in July when Murdaugh's wife and son were found shot to death.
You know, I wasn't joking when I turned my signal on, really. Oh, I must be a big disappointment to you.